Okay, so we're sitting here with your first Java program. And as you can see, the basic format of the program is there is a class. So public class hello world is the name of our program. And every class, or at least your initial class, is going to have this line in it: public static void main. It's the main routine that's running in our program, and you learn what public static and void mean later. But just know that this kind of needs to be there as a cookie cutter. Now the open and close curly brackets tell us that this block of code is all part of this class, and this block of code is all part of this method. But what is inside is the part that's important. So for some people it can be a little hard when you're using an editor like IDE1, because IDE1 needs the class to be called IDE1. So basically when you're using IDE1, instead of just copying all of this and pasting it here, you literally want to look and see where it says your code goes here, delete that, and don't take the entire part of here, but take the part from the inside block. So notice we have a class with its block, we have the method with its block, and this is the part that's inside the method block. We want to take these two lines, and put them in here and then run it. So we would say system.out.println hello world. Now another concept that's important to understand when you're working with Java is you want to do things little by little. So if you run into a problem, you can see where the problem happened. You don't want to type in 30 lines of code and then test it, because then you got to figure out which line had the problem if you have a problem. So I'm just typing in one line. I type in run, or click run, and it says it's succeeded. And down here where it says standard std out or standard out hello world, that means that this line of code worked. So let me go in and put my other line of code, and it's today is whatever the day's date is. So I'm just going to copy and paste this one rather than have to type it over again. But it is important to type the lines as well, because you need to get comfortable with your fingers knowing what the proper commands are. So system.out.println today is a date I am alive, blah blah blah. Okay, so I have all of my code here. I can hit run, and notice it runs. Hello world, today is July 19th 2015, I am alive. The entire program worked. That's your first Java program.